Welcome and thank you for watching this video presented by Cost Store Fixtures. Questions should be mailed to coststorefixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 example cost workup pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimension sheet. Example item 1.1.04, example steps and parts. In this example, the process consists of the first 2 steps with 4 parts each and the third step with 1 part. The 2 steps are required for all cost workups. The third step is a management function. Step 1 is entering dimensions and quantities. Part 1, Introduction, explains concepts, rules, and dimensions. Part 2, how base dimensions are entered. Part 3, how door dimensions are entered. Part 4, how shelf dimensions are entered. Step 2 is entering prices and quantities. Part 1, Introduction, explains concepts, rules, and prices. Part 2, how base prices are entered. Part 3, how door prices are entered. Part 4, how shelf prices are entered. The structure of steps, parts, and items applies only to the instruction example. This structure is not associated with the process in any other area of this application. This example 1.1.04 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.05.